Trisha, one of the reasons why nandito kami in Miami because of our Monat event yesterday. But today and tomorrow is our free day. So, wala, mag-ikot lang kami. It's her first time. So, I'm gonna show her around. Kala mo naman professional. Alright, join us along this journey. The reason why gusto ko talagang pumunta dito sa Miami was to see the community. Ay, grabe ang manifestation talaga. And I truly believe in the business of Monat. And I see it, diba? Like yesterday in the event, grabe lang sila. And I'm so excited. Dream life to live by the beach. I've always wanted to live by the water. And ito na yun. Dadaling ko talaga dito ang family ko. I'm gonna bring Anika here. We're gonna live here, kami nila Troy. I promise you that. Give me a few years. Trust me.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. This is the toro with caviar and cold flakes. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try a little bit of soy sauce. Parang butter lang. Nag-melt na siya sa mouth ko. So good. Oh my gosh.
You can get sushi in Austin, pero
Not like this.
not like this. Like fresh.
Wala na akong masabi. Ang sarap. So good. Ako ng swimsuit pagdating sa beach. So, syempre hindi na natin ipapakita. Meron ako extra shirt, tsaka syempre nandun yung underwear ko. Huwag na natin pakita yan. Ang aking sanitizer. Lip gloss. Oh, cards. Ang ID. Oh, business card. Max. Business. Ang aking, oh my gosh, ang Rejuvenate oil. Ang aking lipstick. Dami may crabs din dito, guys. Airpods. And pabango, my favorite. Aqua, Lanvin. That's it. So, I got it from Teddy Blake. Tada! Enjoy na natin ang beach. Okay? 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 Let's go! Y'all ready?
We're ready.
You ready?
Ready
to
for
rock
rock
and
and
roll.
roll. What?
Yan ang living life. This is how they live life in Miami. Everyone is out. Everyone is out.
Meetup. Grabe.
Good morning, everybody. This is our last day. I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of what we're doing today. Dito kami nagstay. We're in courtyard. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. We are by the marina. And eto, I'm just gonna share with you guys yung morning routine ko. I normally meditate super early, and then I do my journaling. I read my purpose-driven life devotional book. So that is it. And then I'll take you guys to our doggy meetup. Kahit wala kaming dogs dito, I'm just gonna share with you guys the community that we have for Monat and to share with you my business partners. Bye. We are at Margaret Pace Park. Oh, well, hello.
Hi.
This is our last day. We're just gonna meet our business partners, hang out, enjoy the community and this view. Let's go. Oh, Miami, you have our heart. What can you say about Miami?
I want to move here.
Oh, nice. Hello. Ang mga partners, sama na kayo sa amin.
Yes. Let's build a community first in Austin and then move to Miami.
That's right. Look at this. Amazing. Oh my gosh.
Compared to other golden
Good job. You want to be on the camera? So cute. Alright everyone, I think that is it for this vlog. We're just waiting here. Bumalik kami sa hotel. We just had lunch. We're just waiting for our flight. So I'm gonna work a little bit and then head to the airport. And I have another call with one of my girls. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support. Ngayon ko nakuha yung news na nag 100k subscribers na tayo. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Salamat sa lahat ng support nyo.